RC, we got another Maiden, except this is a special one. We got a GPS heli from Flywing. This is the UH-1 V4 Huey, and it is so dope. It's huge. I'm a car guy too, and it has carbon fiber blades, so you automatically know I'm in love with it. I got carbon on my car, I got carbon on my heli. I'm a happy dude. If you guys want to check this out at all, I'll have a link down below. It's an affiliate link. If you purchase the helicopter through that, I get a small kickback, no extra cost to you. Also have a coupon code for you guys, so check that out. It's running a 3000 4S battery, so kind of a little beefcake in there of a battery, but it should fly phenomenal. I got the one with 2 batteries and then a transmitter, and I'm pretty stoked on this transmitter. It looks gorgeous, but we're losing some sunlight here. I want to get a beautiful GPS heli flight in. I've been terrified to fly helis, but these GPS ones, anyone in the world can fly them. And I'm not even joking with that. I will stand by that. They fly so easy, however, they are dangerous. This thing, that blade gets going quick, but let's fire her up. So we'll power our transmitter on. 2 power buttons for double the power, double the transmitting, double cheeseburger. All right. Double cheeked up on a Monday, right? All right. So we'll get that plugged in. Oh yeah, she likes to sing. And we're gonna let this just acquire, actually I should leave this off so I can see. There's a little light on the back here. And we're gonna let it find its GPS signals, which just takes a little bit. What's cool about this helicopter opposed to my other ones is it automatically learns the GPS. My other helicopters got pick up, rotate, spin all around, do a dance, give it a little bit of, and then it connects. This one just connects. So we'll give it a second and we'll tune back in once it's connected. So our light turned green. That means she is ready. She's got the GPS signals. It takes just like a minute. Get that canopy locked on there. We'll step back. We got her down in GPS mode on the transmitter. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold these down to the left and the right for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we should be able to just hit run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, she gets cooking. She gets cooking. She's cooking. All right, let's take off. Sending her up. Dude, and this is why I love these. Do you see how freaking stable that is? Woo! Dude, it is such a good looking heli and it flies so smooth. Guys, this is my 2nd ever heli and it makes me feel like I'm a freaking pro. So these are expensive helicopters. I won't lie to you. I have no reason to tell you it's a cheap helicopter. It's not. But that's because dude, this thing, it almost flies free. Like, I'm gonna go forward and I'm just gonna let go of the sticks. And she's gonna hold the position right there. Like, it's so easy. It flies like a drone, almost exactly like a drone, but you can like get good at it. It does have a 3D mode. We're not putting it in that because I'm just not at that skill level. But dude, you get around, I wanna say around 10 minutes a pack on this one. I'll have to double check, but oh, it's so cool. All right, let's see if we can, dude, it moves at a pretty good pace too. Turn her around, bring her back at us. It does have an inverted mode. It sounds so cool too. I'm gonna bring her up a little bit higher. Has a return to home function too, so it'll go right where it lands. Take it up. I can't remember inverted. Shoot. We might have to try the invert on another one. I can't remember what you got to do to get her to invert. Honestly, it could be up a little bit higher too. That's got to flip it into invert. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. We're not going to mess with it. We'll bring her back down. I'll try the inverted. Oh, it does have a, so I flipped it into a switch right here on my transmitter, and you can have it fly in a circle pattern all on its own. So I'm not touching the sticks, and it's gonna nose in and fly a perfect circle. It's beautiful. It also has a figure 8 mode in the same way. So I'll flick her back into normal here. We'll get her a little bit lower. Dude, this thing flies amazing. Shout out to Hangar 14 for filming. He's getting bit up by mosquitoes and getting eaten alive right now. Wow, dude, look at it on that sunset.
Dude, this looks beautiful.
It is so gorgeous. Yeah, it is just absolutely gorgeous. It is so neat and it flies so smooth, guys. I cannot tell you how freaking smooth it flies. Go up. All right, I'm gonna take it up and then let's try the return to home function. So I'm gonna flip the switch on the transmitter right here. Just flipped her up. I'm not touching it. And it should land within like 5 feet of for where it took off. Or directly on top of it! I'm not touching the sticks right now. Let's see how good she does. Nothing. It's taking her down nice and slow. All on its own. Man, she sure does take her sweet old time. But it's so cool that it does it on its own. If you ever get into a tizzy or you lost orientation or something, flip that switch. Man, them blades are just cooking. And it auto-powered down too. That wind down noise sounds sick. This is the Flywing UH-1 Huey, and it is gorgeous. They also have this in the military green pattern too, which I love. Both of them I think look amazing. I got this one because I seen a bunch of videos on the green one, so I wanted to be a little different. And I thought this livery on it looked really cool too. It is a phenomenal, I cannot tell you how good this flies. Again, if you're interested at all, I'll have a link down below that you can check out to pick this thing up. If you're into that, it is a little bit more pricey, but I'll try to get you a coupon code to save some money. You guys have been loving the helicopter content, so I appreciate you watching. Check out Hangar 14's channel. He's the one behind the camera right now. He makes amazing RC content, so go watch that. And subscribe if you like this video. We'll talk to you on the next one.